it is no longer just a concept. This is the figure F.03, operating directly on the BMW assembly line. Observe its gait. That heel-to-toe movement is key. This isn't a robot that moves stiffly. It is an autonomous system that understands both static and dynamic balance within a bustling factory environment. Look at the acceleration of its shoulder joints. Utilizing high-torque brushless motors with microsecond feedback loops, the F.03 performs real-time positional corrections. It doesn't guess an object's location. It precisely calculates spatial coordinates, so its hand can reach and grasp components without any overshoot. This is what is known as loco manipulation. The F.03 combines leg mobility with dexterous hand manipulation. When handling heavy components, force feedback sensors in each finger ensure constant pressure. It adapts to the object's center of gravity, maintaining body stability even while carrying a load. Powering its movements are LiDAR and vision processing systems that map the environment in 3D in real time. The F.03 doesn't just see objects, it comprehends the workspace. It can navigate congested BMW factory aisles, avoid obstacles, and remain focused on assembly targets without additional instructions.